The atomic bomb was an alternative plan to invading Japan. The projections for the combined deaths of the Allies were off the charts. If Operation Downfall, which was the invasion of Japan, were to be carried out, it would have been the largest amphibious operation known to man. There were two bombs dropped on Japan, Little Boy and Fat Man. Little Boy was dropped on Hiroshima on August 6, 1945. The other, Fat Man, was dropped only 3 days later on Nagasaki. President Truman was all for the dropping of the bomb. He had known of the ongoing procedure of the Manhattan Project, which was the building of the atomic bomb, when he was senator. He was told to never look into the nature of the Manhattan Project, but once he was elected president, he had to make one of the biggest decisions in United States history, a decision that would affect a nation and millions of lives. One of the most interesting things that I learned when researching the dropping of the atomic bomb was how many people were killed and injured from both bombs. The bombing of Hiroshima had 66,000 deaths and 69,000 injuries. The bombing of Nagasaki had 39,000 deaths and 25,000 injuries. The combined estimated total of all casualties for both bombings is around 204,000. The atomic bomb was a turning point in the war. The United States and Russia were getting ready to invade Japan. Two huge reasons why we dropped the bomb were because the United States wanted to end the war quickly and efficiently with minimal U.S. casualties. The other being that the United States didn't want Japan to become a communist nation, which would have happened if Russia invaded. The dropping of the atomic bomb changed our country by being the first nation in the world to ever use an atomic device, let alone two. It instilled great fear into other countries and inspired a nuclear arms race within the world. Everyone wanted them, so everyone tried to build them. Nuclear weapons have become one of the biggest threats in the world ever since that fateful day on August 6, 1945.